453-2534, TTY 711, or visit fideliscarenj.com.
The world's greatest magicians come together live on stage for a holiday spectacular. The illusionist magic of the holidays. This breathtaking magic spectacular showcases the jaw-dropping talents of the most incredible illusionists on Earth. Before they disappear, the illusionist magic of the holidays.
At State Theater, New Jersey on December 6th. Tickets on sale now at stnj.org.
A holiday tradition returns to State Theater, New Jersey with American Repertory Ballet's The Nutcracker, the only area performances featuring a live orchestra and choir. Create memories with your family to last a lifetime with the magical story of Clara and her Nutcracker prince as they travel through the whirlwind of dancing snowflakes and larger-than-life toy soldiers. Experience this beloved classic and American Repertory Ballet's The Nutcracker at State Theater, New Jersey with a live orchestra and choir, December 15th through 17th. Tickets on sale at stnj.org. The PST Holiday Channel is brought to you by Catholic Charities Diocese of Trenton. During the season of joy, many of our neighbors won't have food on their table or presents under their tree. Let's change that. Visit their holiday giving page, Catholic Charities Trenton.